Lesson 4. The Cap Seller and the Monkeys. Ramu is a cap seller. He is going to the nearby market to sell his caps. On the way, I am tired of walking in the sun. I shall rest here. Ramu sleeps under the shade of a tree. Look here, this man is sleeping. He has many caps in his basket. I want to wear a cap. I do want a cap. Go and get the cap slowly and quietly. Let each of us have a cap. They all wear caps and are very happy, laughing and jumping from branch to branch. When Ramu wakes up, he finds his basket empty. Oh, where are my caps? They were in the basket when I slept. Ramu hears a loud laughter. He looks up and sees the monkeys wearing his caps. They all laugh at him. Ramu is very angry. He shouts at them, "Oh, you nuts! Give back my caps! I am getting late." Ramu is so angry that he throws down his own cap. The monkeys, seeing Ramu throw his cap, throw their own caps too. Monkeys do so because they copy people. Ramu picks all the caps and puts them in the basket. He then goes to the market to sell them.